Menteri Kesorka Jelau ba Kyrmen Jelau Loong ba ki Paidbah ki Kwah ba ka kam kan stat no Shaid kenang ban yo no banti Dewïong. Aba kren agas ngibar ba Kyrmen Loong ba dang shen kala don kajing ngap Paidbah ba ha kane kajing ngap Paidbah ka balong ha East Chante Hills don weru ba persya banti Dewïong no. Ba Kyrmen Loong ba ki Paidbah ki Kwah pala dik ban yo I ya kajing ti Dewïong da kajuk sayen kenang ban tip ban ngotu kumno kalong hadin bala sya kang nadu usnema jar khatsan lai thu bala don katok ne ki bala apply license ki bala penbiang ya ki jingdon kam bat ka basa kalong saban stang ya ka kam henry hak ju kapor laong ba ka kam rep ka kam riang kalong ka badan kam ha ka ba ki bru kila ban pendon kam ya ki jaka Shaid isra ha ki par badan Dewïong bat ka jing sim ya ka kam rep kan long ka we ka bala ban pelai ya ki bru na ka jing shnya ha ki we kum ha ka kam ti Dewïong.
Actually, recently by seeing the recent status of the mining, so it gives hope, no doubt. But we do have we do have that feelings that hopefully it will be a little faster, so that the people will see the light of the day. But seeing this recently, we have a public hearing, and it's really nice to see that in that public hearing, nobody oppose it. All their concern is that we want to see how it started, and later on if we need any modification, then we'll request the government of the day and then or the department concerned then to do some modification if required. But for now, the public wants to see that how is that mining, the proper mining or scientific mining will started, and then how will it be. So that is how we expect. And I really thank the Honorable Chief Minister for doing the best he can, and then for bringing this justice to the people. Because we few things, there are some things has been trying from the Chief Minister to speed it up, but which when it comes to the central government or the central law needs to be followed, that it takes time. So as of now, it's a blessing for us. Those few numbers, 3-4 of them, they have already completed the procedure in the central and the code as a whole, and now it will be within the state. So here in the state, I believe the Chief Minister and then all of us as a government and the public will work together and speed it up this matter. Agriculture is one thing where we have heard, even the food we are eating now, most of them we can call it's been used with these pesticides and all, which is not healthy. But if our local people can do more plantation in agriculture, so that the food we are eating will be healthy food and then pesticide free, then it will be much benefit when it comes to health. And when it comes to livelihood, we have seen lots of barren land in Meghalaya, especially in East Chante or even the whole Assam Meghalaya, barren land is there. So if we can utilize this, through this we will earn, there's nothing like it. So I feel, if the soil is fertile enough, we should go ahead with the plantation. And so many have lived their their livelihood, construct building and then send their children to school just by doing this agricultural produce. So I believe it's a good idea, and we should go ahead. No matter whichever business we are, agricultural should not stop, and it has to go ahead.